Germany is known for its awesome engineering and industrial strength. It's a manufacturing superstar. The country has built a reputation for producing some of the world's most reliable and innovative machinery. This reputation didn't come overnight. It's the result of decades of dedication, precision, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. A big part of this is the machinery and equipment sector. This sector is the backbone of German industry, providing the tools and machines that power other industries, from automotive to pharmaceuticals. This industry is super important to Germany's economy and helps them sell lots of stuff to other countries. In fact, Germany is one of the world's largest exporters of machinery, with its products being highly sought after in global markets. From cars to medicine, German machines are used all over the world. The precision and reliability of these machines make them indispensable in various sectors, ensuring that products are made to the highest standards. Everyone knows they're high quality, dependable, and innovative. This reputation for quality is a key reason why German machinery is trusted by industries worldwide. But even this strong industry faces challenges in our quickly changing world. The rapid pace of technological advancement means that companies must constantly innovate to stay ahead. The machinery and equipment makers are dealing with problems both inside and outside Germany. Domestic issues like high production costs and a shortage of skilled labor are significant hurdles. Globally, trade fights and countries trying to protect their own industries are messing with how things are usually made and shipped, creating a complex and often hostile environment for international trade and making people buy less stuff. Economic uncertainties and fluctuating demand are causing disruptions in production schedules and supply chains. At the same time, other countries, especially China, are getting better at making things, and their competitive pricing is a significant challenge for German manufacturers, and that makes it harder for Germany to stay on top. The global competition is fierce, and maintaining a leading position requires constant innovation and efficiency. Inside Germany, high taxes, lots of paperwork, and not enough skilled workers are adding to the pressure. These internal challenges are just as daunting as the external ones, but German manufacturers are tough. They have a long history of overcoming obstacles and finding innovative solutions to complex problems. They've always been good at adapting and coming up with new ideas, even during hard times. This adaptability is a key strength that has helped them navigate through various crises over the years. This never-give-up attitude, along with their focus on quality and research, will be super important in the next 10 years. Investing in research and development is crucial for staying ahead in the competitive global market. The future of German manufacturing depends on becoming more digital, creating new things and training skilled workers, ensuring that the workforce is equipped with the latest skills and knowledge, all while dealing with tricky global trade and uncertain world events. Navigating these challenges will require strategic planning, collaboration, and a commitment to innovation. Countries trying to protect their own industries is a big worry for countries that sell a lot of stuff to other countries like Germany. When a country like the US imposes tariffs, it can disrupt the entire supply chain, making it more expensive and complicated for German manufacturers to get their products to market. This can lead to higher prices for consumers and lower sales for businesses. The machinery and equipment sector, which relies heavily on international trade, is especially vulnerable to increasing tariffs. These industries depend on the smooth flow of goods across borders to maintain their operations and profitability. Any disruption can have a ripple effect, impacting not just the manufacturers but also the workers and communities that rely on these industries. The possibility of higher taxes on German machines sold to the US, a major trading partner, is making everyone nervous. These tariffs can make German products less competitive in the US market, leading to a potential loss of market share to other countries that are not subject to the same tariffs. Trade barriers are definitely a problem, but it's important to look at things clearly. While tariffs can pose significant challenges, they also encourage companies to innovate and find new ways to stay competitive. This can lead to advancements in technology and efficiency that might not have happened otherwise. The US is still a really important market for German manufacturers, and the strong economic ties between the two countries are hard to break. Despite the challenges posed by tariffs, the long-standing relationships and mutual benefits of trade between the US and Germany provide a strong foundation for continued collaboration. Plus, German machines are often so specialized that there aren't many similar machines made in the US. This specialization means that even with tariffs, there is still a demand for German machinery because of its unique capabilities and high quality. This means the impact of tariffs might not be as bad as some people think. While there will be challenges, the unique value of German machinery can help mitigate some of the negative effects. Still, the possibility of a trade war shows how important it is for German manufacturers to sell their products to many different countries. Diversifying their markets can help reduce the risk associated with any single market becoming less accessible due to tariffs or other trade barriers. Finding new markets, especially in Asia and other growing economies, can make them less reliant on any single country. These emerging markets offer new opportunities for growth and can help balance the risks associated with traditional markets. Also, working more closely with other European countries can create a safety net against problems from outside. By strengthening intra-European trade, German manufacturers can build a more resilient economic network. In the long run, the best solution is to have fair trade rules for everyone. Fair trade rules ensure that all countries can compete on a level playing field, which benefits everyone in the global economy. By working with organizations like the World Trade Organization, Germany can promote open markets and discourage protectionist measures that hurt everyone. These efforts can help create a more stable and predictable trading environment, which is crucial for long-term economic growth and prosperity. China's rise as a global economic power has changed everything, and the machinery and equipment sector is no exception. Chinese manufacturers, once known for making cheap, simple products, are now making more complex and advanced things, competing directly with Germany. This is happening because the Chinese government is investing a lot in research. China itself is a huge and growing market, and they're focused on getting better technology. Competition from China is tough, but it also creates opportunities to work together. China needs high-quality machines, and that's a great market for German manufacturers, especially in areas like automation, robots, and renewable energy. German companies can use their advanced technology and reputation for quality to become key partners as China's industries continue to improve. However, concerns about unfair competition from China, like stealing ideas, forcing companies to share technology, and government support that gives Chinese companies an unfair advantage, need to be addressed through conversations and, if necessary, enforcing international trade rules. Everyone needs to play by the same rules to make sure competition is fair. The relationship between German and Chinese manufacturers is complicated. By being practical and finding a balance between competition and cooperation, both sides can use their strengths to create new ideas and grow the machinery and equipment sector. Section 4. A question of competitiveness, Germany in the global arena. As global competition gets tougher, people are worried about Germany's ability to stay on top. Critics say that high labor costs, strict rules, and being slow to adopt digital technologies are hurting Germany. This is especially true when compared to China's rapid growth, making people wonder if Germany's focus on expensive, high-quality manufacturing can survive against cheaper competitors. While the challenges are real, Germany still has many strengths. German machinery and equipment are still in high demand all over the world because they're precise, durable, and technologically advanced. Germany also has highly skilled workers, strong research programs, and a culture of excellent engineering. These things are still helping Germany stay a leader in the global machinery and equipment market. Plus, Germany's focus on quality, sustainability, and making customers happy aligns with what the world wants. As industries around the world focus on efficiency, automation, and environmentally friendly technologies, German manufacturers are in a good position to succeed. Instead of seeing it as a win-lose situation, Germany should see global competition as a reason to keep getting better. By embracing digitalization, simplifying regulations, and encouraging innovation, Germany can stay competitive while adapting to the changing global market. Section 5. Innovation, not isolation, the path to progress. In today's rapidly evolving world, the path to progress is paved with innovation and collaboration. It's a journey that requires constant adaptation and a willingness to embrace new ideas and technologies. When the world gets tough, it's tempting to close yourself off. The instinct to retreat and protect what you have can be strong, but it's not the way forward. History shows us that closing yourself off leads to falling behind, not success. Industries that failed to innovate and adapt have often found themselves obsolete. Their once thriving factories now relics of the past. For German manufacturing, especially the machinery and equipment sector, the key to long-term success is embracing innovation, collaboration, and open markets. This sector has always been a cornerstone of Germany's economic strength, and its future depends on staying ahead of the curve. Innovation is essential for any industry to thrive, and the machinery and equipment sector is no different. It's about more than just keeping up. It's about leading the way and setting new standards. German manufacturers need to keep investing in research and development, continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This investment is not just in technology, but in people and ideas. Pushing the limits of technology in areas like automation, robotics, artificial intelligence, and sustainable manufacturing is crucial. These advancements can lead to more efficient processes, higher quality products, and a more sustainable future. By creating cutting-edge solutions that meet changing customer needs and address global challenges, German companies can stay ahead of the game and remain leaders in innovation. This proactive approach ensures they are not just reacting to changes, but driving them. German companies can stay ahead of the game and remain leaders in innovation. Celebrating these successes is important, but it's equally important to keep looking forward and striving for the next breakthrough. Working together is just as important. Collaboration brings diverse perspectives and ideas, which can lead to more innovative solutions. No single company or country has all the good ideas, and the best innovations often come from the intersection of different viewpoints and expertise. Sharing ideas and working together is essential for progress. This spirit of collaboration can lead to breakthroughs that no single entity could achieve on its own. German manufacturers should actively look for partnerships with universities, research institutions, and other companies. These partnerships can provide access to new research, technologies, and markets, and companies around the world combining their strengths to develop innovative solutions. This global approach can open up new opportunities and drive growth, combining their strengths to develop innovative solutions. This collaborative effort can lead to more robust and versatile products and services. This includes working even with competitors on things like developing industry standards or exploring new technologies. Such collaborations can help set the stage for industry-wide advancements. Ultimately, Germany's success depends on its ability to compete and collaborate within a fair, rule-based trading system. By supporting fair trade, opposing protectionism, and fostering an environment where innovation can thrive and working within established international frameworks, Germany can create a level playing field that benefits everyone. This approach not only strengthens the German economy, but also contributes to global progress. Germany can create a level playing field that benefits everyone. By leading through innovation and collaboration, Germany can continue to be a beacon of progress in the global manufacturing landscape.
So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and let's turn the page on a new adventure together. Get ready to experience books like never before, only on VBook 360. Like, comment, and share to support the channel and keep the video magic alive. Thank you for stopping by. And remember, every video has a story, and every story deserves to be shared. See you in the next video.